everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a true masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamed of a stunning, colorful garden that practically takes care of itself, while also helping the planet? Well, today we're diving into the enchanting world of the Wildflower Garden. A vibrant, buzzing haven that is easier to create and maintain than you might think. We're going to cover what they are, why you need one, how to make it beautiful, and of course share the top 10 best wildflower garden ideas using some truly breathtaking examples. Let's dig in. A wildflower garden is an intentional landscape area designed to mimic a natural meadow or field, primarily using plants that grow natively in your region without human intervention. Unlike traditional gardens that often rely on manicured, non-native or hybridized species, a wildflower garden is a biodiversity hotspot. It focuses on the natural, often vibrant beauty of resilient, locally adapted plants. It's an ecological approach to gardening that celebrates the untamed beauty of nature, resulting in a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry of colors and textures that shifts beautifully with the seasons. Essentially, you are inviting local nature right up to your doorstep, creating a miniature ecosystem. The benefits of cultivating a wildflower garden are extensive, going far beyond just aesthetics. Ecologically, they are crucial for supporting local pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, which are essential for food production and ecosystem health. Since these plants are native, they require significantly less water and maintenance once established than traditional lawns or flower beds, meaning less time spent watering, weeding, and fertilizing, saving you both effort and money. Furthermore, they are incredibly resilient to local pests and diseases, and their deep root systems help improve soil health and prevent erosion. Creating a wildflower space is a powerful way to make your property a sanctuary of natural beauty and an active part of local conservation. While the beauty of wildflowers is inherently natural, you can decorate and enhance your garden's design by providing structure, contrast, and focal points. First, establish defined borders or pathways, like a brick walkway or a low hedge, to give the wild planting a sense of intentionality and keep it from looking unruly. Introduce hardscaping elements such as large, natural stones, a rustic bench, or a simple archway to create visual anchors and resting spots. Use mass planting of specific color groups near borders for a bolder, more structured look, blending into a wilder mix toward the center. Finally, incorporate decorative features like bird feeders, a simple water feature, or even a repurposed wagon planter to add charm and interest that complements the organic aesthetic. The best plants for your wildflower garden will always be the ones native to your specific region, as they are perfectly adapted to your climate and soil and provide the best support for local wildlife. However, excellent choices for general beauty and pollinator attraction often include species like coneflowers or echinacea for their cheerful, daisy-like heads, black-eyed Susans or rudbeckia for their vibrant yellow and dark centers, various species of milkweed or asclepias, which is vital for monarch butterflies, lupins for their tall, spiky blooms, and bee balm or monarda for its unique, whimsical shape. Researching your local native plant society will give you the most impactful and sustainable list for your specific area. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best wildflower garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the Misty Meadow Sanctuary. This expansive, lush garden captures a magical, romantic atmosphere, especially with the morning mist rolling in over the distant hills. The design utilizes a large central lawn flanked by deep, layered borders featuring a rich mix of towering grasses and diverse flowering perennials in purples, pinks, and yellows, offering a secluded sitting area with a classic wooden bench for contemplation. 2. Modern Fire Pit Retreat in a Wild Landscape. A fantastic blend of contemporary design and wild nature, This idea features a clean, simple stone patio surrounded by a sea of naturalized wildflowers and native grasses. The modern metal fire bowl and minimalist wire chairs provide a chic focal point, while a unique, circular wood stack acts as a sculptural element, proving that wild gardens can absolutely be sleek and modern. 3. Vibrant cottage border against a simple fence. Perfect for smaller spaces or boundary planting. This idea showcases an intensely vibrant and tightly packed flower border. The cheerful riot of pinks, fuchsias, purples, and whites, including tall foxgloves and dianthus, creates maximum impact and contrast against a neutral-colored privacy fence, transforming a mundane boundary into a captivating wall of color. 4. Intimate seating in a burst of color. This demonstrates how to perfectly integrate a comfortable conversation area into a wild planting scheme. Cozy, modern outdoor armchairs and a low coffee table are set on a small, neat paved area, which is immediately surrounded by a breathtaking profusion of yellow, orange, and soft purple wildflowers, making the seating feel like a private, fragrant island. 5. The secret garden gate entrance. A truly enchanting example of a classic cottage-style wildflower garden. A rustic wooden arbor and gate, covered in climbing roses, serve as a romantic entrance, leading the eye deeper into a garden filled with towering, richly colored perennials like irises in yellow and deep purple, and abundant pink roses and rhododendrons, creating layers of texture and height. 6. Raised bed prairie-style garden. This design uses simple, weathered wooden railroad ties to create large raised beds, providing a structured edge to a dense, naturalistic planting of drought-tolerant wildflowers. The mix of yellow black-eyed Susans, purple coneflowers, and diverse grasses offers a resilient, low-water option that contrasts beautifully with the neat green lawn and the charming white cottage in the background. 7. Sunset dining with a view. A breathtaking patio idea that leverages a stunning view. A simple, rustic wooden dining table and bright red modern chairs are placed on a clean patio overlooking a sweeping meadow of natural grasses and delicate wildflowers. The planting is allowed to grow right up to the patio edge, blurring the line between the built space and the wild landscape. 8. Formal hedge and wildflower contrast. This design elegantly combines the neat structure of a traditional garden with the free-form beauty of a wildflower area. A perfectly manicured, low boxwood hedge provides a crisp, dark green boundary to the lawn, setting off the explosive, diverse colors of the adjacent wildflower beds, creating a sophisticated and vibrant landscape. 9. The meandering brick pathway. This idea emphasizes flow and journey, using a curving, textured brick pathway to invite visitors through an incredibly dense and layered wildflower planting. The path is flanked by high banks of colorful perennials, including deep purples and bright pinks, creating an immersive, sensory experience and a beautiful sense of enclosure. 10. Wildlife pond and rockery wildflower garden. This design incorporates a small, naturalized pond as a central feature, attracting additional wildlife and providing a calming sound element. The edges of the pond are softened with water lilies and bordered by a rockery planted with diverse, low-growing wildflowers and tall grasses, creating a rich, moist habitat area that feels completely natural and serene. Wildflower gardens are more than just a passing trend. They are a meaningful, low-maintenance, and utterly beautiful way to connect your home with the natural world. By embracing native plants and simple design structures, you can transform your outdoor space into a buzzing, colorful paradise that supports local ecosystems and provides you with endless joy. Now it's your turn. Which of these top 10 ideas inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments below if you're planning to sow a packet of seeds this season. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more easy and beautiful garden ideas, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next video.